It's about 5 a.m. in the morning. Me, Jameson, and Justin are headed out. Got us another project. We're gonna go pick it up about 3-4 hours away. Let's go check it out. Okay, everybody, here we are. Our trip today: Copart, Gainesville, Atlanta North. Got us a F-150, 2015 four-wheel drive. Justin Jameson's got it strapped down. We're fixing to hit the road and head back to Alabama. Okay, here we are back. We left about 5:30 this morning. 300 something miles. Got home about 3:30. We put the battery charger on it. Justin just picked up this 2015 four-wheel drive 5.0 truck. He's fixing to see if it'll crank. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Sounds good. No rattles. 60,000 mile truck. Got damage back here at the back. We'll show you that. Been hitting the rear. Watch the pretty truck. One pretty truck. Stay tuned. We're gonna try to get this thing fixed. Got a bed to go on it. Get it up for sale. Okay, we got the F-150 in the shop. Gonna get ready to start tearing it down. We done got the bumper and the tailgate and the bed liner out. We'll get the bed off. We'll have to replace this spring. It's got bent, caused the wheel to get forward. Got a little damage on the back of the cab. We'll have to straighten up, do a little body work on. We've got the bed loose. We're gonna try and get it set off. We got the bed off, rear bumper and all that. We noticed the truck was sitting a little high on the back end. We got to checking it out. I don't know if you can tell it there or not, but the leaf spring is bent. When whatever hit the truck in the back in the bed, it also got into the tire and pushed the tire forward, bent that leaf spring. We've got a parts truck out back. Me and Jameson fix to go pull the leaf spring off of it and get it ready to put on this one. So let's go get it off. Okay, here's our donor truck, parts truck. We're gonna get the leaf spring off of. One bolt here. Got the 4-bolt, the 2 U-bolts. One bolt up there. Shock's already off, so we won't have to worry about that. We'll lift the back end up and get the spring out. leaf spring off. We end up having to take the muffler mount brackets loose so we can get the muffler to drop down to get that one bolt out. We got that spring. Don't even have to use the forklift. Now we just get it put in the other one. Grab that in right here. Okay, we got the old leaf spring out. You can probably see it a little better now. See how it's bent. You can see how it's bent right there at the back. How it kind of kicks up. Okay, here's a little side by side. You can see how bad the bent one is now. Here's the good one laid up beside it. You kind of get them lined up. That's going to be pretty close right there. See how that's short and kicked up? That's what jacked that back end up like that, made the front look like it's sitting down low. So when we get this other one in, everything should be sitting good and level. Should be good to go. Okay, we got it on. Truck's sitting a lot leveler. Jamie's gonna get up on it, bounce a little bit. Go towards the end a little more. Kind of bounce on it, get everything settled in. Alright, suspension looks good now. Truck's sitting level. We're gonna finish tightening up all our bolts and spring is in. Sitting good, ready to start the body work now. We got a little spot on the cab corner right there. You can't hardly see it because of the light. We got to get it worked. Got a couple spots on the bed we're replacing. We'll get that on there. I think we got to order a bumper. We've got a tailgate and a tail light. And our bed, I believe, is white. We'll get it all painted, get it put back on. This truck will be ready to go.
What color? Never shine, doing what I should. Never be, never see. Won't see what my